welcome to Gordon Guitar, Montell Fish. It's been a while since the latest update from him on Gordon Guitar, but this time we have a song called Exscape. So we have this chord progression that goes through the entire song in the same way. I'm gonna give you this easy version of it, how to handle this song. So no need for any capo on this one, so we're going clean on this. And let's start with the chords. So we have 4 chords we need to handle here. So the first one will be E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next one is C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D next. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord will be A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right. So let's start right away. We will start with the E minor. And for this now, when we do the strumming, we adjust downs. We will play more on the bass strings of the actual chord. So we don't need to go full down strokes like this. It's more bass emphasized, okay? So just have that with you when we're going to look at the strumming here. So we'll start with the E minor, down, down, clap. So this, and then you switch to C, you play the down, down, clap, and then quickly go to D and play just one down. That is one round, and that you will play for 2 rounds, okay? So E minor, down, down, clap, then C, down, down, clap, then D, down. And you play that for 2 rounds like this. Then we have the second half of this chord progression, you can say. Now we're gonna work in the same way pretty much, but different chords. We have the D, so you end it on the D, one down, and you will now continue with the D. So that is great, easy. So down, down, clap on D. And then you switch to A minor and play down, down, clap. And then you just take off this second fret D string from the A minor and put it on the second fret A. That gives you this B note here, and that is what you're gonna play for just one down, in the same way as you played the last D there in the first half of this chord progression. So just take this off and do like this. And just hit this B note there, second fret A string. And that will be now the new chord progression. So it was D, down, down, clap, then A minor, down, down, clap, and this B note here, one down on that. You're gonna play that chord progression now for 2 rounds. So like this, D, then A minor, this note, and then go back to D again, and then A minor, and then you go back and play the first half, the first part, and that is what you're gonna do through the entire song. So a couple of rounds of this E minor, C, D, D, A minor, and this B note will sound like this. that, my friends, covers Montell Exscape. So good luck with this one and play tuned.